had to set some rules. And of course, I think it's like the drawing of my future house. I'm gonna keep grinding and I'm gonna finish this bad boy. I got 48 hours to get module 1 done, off to the printer and the formatter, and I still gotta take all the photos. So I'm probably gonna wanna have a shower before I do that. I don't think I've showered in 3 days. What do you guys think of my hair? I'm gonna do this. A little sneak peek behind the scenes of the creation of my dream board course. Man, oh man, this has been a hard project. I mean, I gotta show you my face. This is the face of somebody who's not sleeping, not eating, and is really trying to complete this goal. Look at that, I'm so tired. It's real, it's done. I need to catch my breath because I'm so excited. Okay guys, so public announcement, dreams come true. Like no matter what your dream is, if you put your heart into it, it will happen. It will come true. Little flashback, when I was a little girl, my parents would ask me what I wanted to do when I grew up. And I would always say that I wanted to be a professional scrapbooker. And my mom's answer was always that you can't make any money scrapbooking. Then when I became a teenager, I wanted to work with cannabis. I loved cannabis so much because it saved my life after I was on antidepressants as a teenager. And everyone told me, well, that's illegal. Flash forward 17 years and both my dreams are coming true in the exact same month. So Leanne and I, our CBD company just went into production. Like I can't believe it. We're about to have a cannabis product. And Walla and I have designed an entire course about dream boards. Dream boards are just giant scrapbooks on your wall of your visions and your dreams, and both of them are profit producing. I've incorporated in 2 countries now, and yes, you will be able to buy this online soon. Come to my vision board classes, tell me your dreams. I will help you work them backwards. Any dream is possible if you believe it's possible. Anything you want to do in this world, you can do if you put enough heart and soul into it and you do the hard work. It will pay off. It will manifest for you. I promise. I've seen crazy things happen, crazy things off my dream board, including the fact that I said I was going to write a course. And now I I, 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 dreamed it and I realized it.